We understand. I want to express that to everybody. I'm not always great at motivational speeches and yah-yah talks and you could do it type things. I guess I'm not a good motivational, inspirational coach, but I do want to tell you that we understand. I understand that it's scary taking the test when you haven't taken a test for a long time. I understand it's hard to study when you have a lot going on in your life. I understand it's hard starting a new career. It's not only hard, but it's scary. It's scary entering that unknown. And we get that. I get that a lot. I've been there. I felt it. And I want you guys to know that we're here to support you and try to help you get through it. And the best way to get over that nervous energy and that kind of feeling of insecurity is just to keep learning. Every day, keep learning something new. Don't give yourself time to sit there and dwell. That's when you get depressed, when you get nervous, you get anxious. A big yay rah speech and 10 doses of caffeine is great if you want to sprint around the house 10 times and go paint it and then do a 2-hour workout or something. But the reality is that feeling doesn't go away. So the best thing you can do is occupy that space with learning and activity. So my advice to you guys is just keep learning, keep going, and you're going to find yourself much more knowledgeable, much more ready to go. And you're going to find that even if the goal you established originally is not achieved, you may find yourself on a path that's even better and that you're more excited about pursuing. I know that happened to me. So for all of you who are nervous, scared, anxious about starting a new career, trust me, we get it. We've been there. I understand what it's all about. And I want you to know that if you just occupy that time with productive activity, you'll be fine. I hope to see you guys soon in a webinar and have a great day.